like multitasking. That includes the things that I cook, so it's great when you can find a dish that serves as both dessert and as a side dish. And that's what bread pudding is all about. So I've got a glass baking dish that I buttered completely. I've preheated my oven to 350, and now I'm going to take 12 to 14 slices of bread and then butter both sides. Now go ahead and put a layer of those buttered bread slices into the bottom of the baking dish, as I'm doing here, and then toss a combination of dark and golden raisins with some cinnamon, and then cover those bread slices with about half of the raisins, and then lay another layer of the bread on top of those. And we'll cover those with the raisins as well. Now we'll make a custard with 6 large eggs, 3 cups of milk, and a cup of cream. And I will grate some fresh nutmeg into this, and then pour it all over those bread slices, and then bake in a 350 oven. Now at this point you can cover and refrigerate it and wait to bake it until you're ready. But in any case, let the whole casserole come to room temperature before you bake it. Now, when you're baking it, let it go for 40 minutes until the top is puffed and golden brown. Now remember to go ahead and serve your bread pudding. Remember, it could be either a side dish or a dessert. And then when you write to me for the recipe, I'll even send you my special recipe for traditional whiskey sauce. So you can get that by writing to me at the address shown on your screen, or log onto the website and click over to the Kitchen Guy page. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. I'll see you next time.